Another year don dey wind up and some of us don dey worry how I go take make money this coming year. Wetin go make me money fast this year? Which kind business dey profitable? Relax, this coming year we go all make money. For today's video, I go give you 6 different businesses wey go make you correct money. 6 profitable businesses wey you go do this coming year wey you go fit profit from maximally. The first business wey I go talk about na the bar business. You see, people are either excited or frustrated. Those ones in between, those ones dey their house. But you see those ones wey dey excited and those ones wey dey frustrated, you go see them for bar. And na there na you belong. Now, if you look at the percentage of people within Nigeria, most of them are frustrated. Please bring out data. You go see say most Nigerians dey frustrated. So it means that most Nigerians go be your customer. While a few are excited, whether because they don't hit jackpot or because they don't drink too much, they go still dey excited. They go still come your place. So the rest in between na the very small population wey no go patronize you. You see why bar business na the best business for you? Lots of people dey undermine bar business. It is a very lucrative business in Nigeria and any other part of the world, because for every country in the world, forget say people dey japa, they talk say some countries dey better pass Nigeria, but then even those countries they experience economic reversal. As a result, people dey frustrated for different countries, especially for our own country Nigeria. E get one bar for my area wey be say even on Mondays they dey do live band. Yes, it is that serious. And when I go meet them say that they disturb me with their sound, they tell me say na when their customers dey show up. So some people dey frustrated from work on Monday, they still want to drink. Some people still have fiancés that they still want to take to the bar to just have a nice time. Some people are family people and they still want to go to the bar. Whichever day of the week works for them, na im they go bar. But e get as they do bar business wey be say you go do am with a touch of class. Because some people believe say bar business na yeye business, na dirty business. My husband no fit do bar business, oh, my wife no fit do bar business, oh. But in this case, there are ways to go about this kind of business. See, if you join my YouTube membership, there are perks wey you go get for that platform. I go dey give you correct one-on-one advice on how to run your business. Number 2, na Shortlet apartment. Boy, they never tell you say Shortlet apartment na the new gold mine. If no one has told you that, I am saying that to you for free. For Shortlet apartment, 3-bedroom flat for my area, they rent for 100k per day. Guys, fine, we know say cost of fuel don't go up. So no matter what, they go burn fuel, right? But aside from the fuel where they burn, the other things are things we say they are stationary. The person where they lodge inside the flat, no fit carry and come out, right? So if, for instance, per day you dey spend fuel, 40k fuel on that client, which of course, if the rooms are filled, you don't have to spend that much, right? So, but say na only that flat safe person they occupy, you go spend 40k on fuel. You still have 60k. And your staff will dey there, you know if you pay all of them 60k. Probably 20k goes into salaries and some other overheads. Guys, you still get 40k to yourself. I just to give you example. So if you never think of this business and you see waiting, you see people where they act movies, entertainment industries, they don't go to people's homes in any longer. Most of them rent Shortlet apartments to do their filming. I'm going to show you a Shortlet apartment that the fee is so affordable. That is in another video though. I got to understand this information from my findings, from my research, to know that even people who are in entertainment industries are now renting Shortlet apartments for 3 months at a stretch, 1 month at a stretch. So when you go to that apartment, they tell you it's filled up, it's filled up, it's filled up. It is because they've paid for them. Most people, when they come from abroad now, they know they stay for their family house because of village people. And they know they stay for their family house because of security. As a result of that, they stay Shortlet apartment. And hotel don't cast. Most people know they trust hotel again because police fee just bust you, right? So most people they stay for Shortlet apartment these days. The privacy they top notch. And this kind of business, you don't need to go from house to house to they tell people say they do Shortlet apartments. They get agencies where they advertise for them. Some they advertise directly online. Like some will contact people like us to help them advertise. And yes, because people like us have a reputation, we know they advertise bullshit, right? So most people tend to go to such Shortlet apartments and fix them up if they are coming from abroad. I don't speak English. No vex. If they come from Obodo Ibo, you understand, they go don't book online, and this now one of the best trending businesses to involve yourself with. If you did think of starting a trendy business online, starting a business in Nigeria make you think of cosmetic business. You see, if you open cosmetic store, e dey very easy for you to make money. You know why? Even when some people no eat, they no dey play with their skin. And some people believe say no be only fruits and vegetables go make your skin fine. Say when you rub cream or when you smell nice, na go make your skin fine. Well, I agree with the latter. When you smell nice, guys, me, I no fit play with that one. So for cosmetic shops, people wey dey sell body cream, soap, perfumes, and everything regarding body hygiene, people like that dey always sell because e no get how you must baff before you comot for house. So soap go sell. E no get how you must brush your teeth before you comot for house. Toothpaste go sell. E no get how you go cream your body, whether you oil am or you use moisturizer or you use organic, whatever kind of cream, it is still a cosmetic product. So you see why it is as essential as food. Cosmetic business dey make people lots of money. If you come wan do am well, make you go open to places where leg dey plenty well well, people dey pass well well. Make you come discount your price. Guys, you go dey sell like say you dey do money ritual. Did I just say that? What are some ways to make money online without having capital? Or how to start a profitable business with no money? Jewelry business, na that business. You see, the good thing about jewelry business be say you fit just dey do drop shipping, you fit just dey sell am online and people go dey key in. See this earring wey I dey wear now, you see am? It is a product of drop shipping. Somebody go post things like this. Some of us, because we no get time to go buy things, we go send them the money. They go tell you delivery is in 2 days. They don't go market, go buy that thing. I don't do am before. Well, guys, I don't do am well. So they don't go market, go buy that thing, come for you. Sometimes you go see them, they reach market, they don't see that thing. They go tell you, I'm so sorry, it's out of stock. I spoke to my manager, they had sold it before English. They don't see am for market. So jewelry business, now that business where you fit do online comfortably by drop shipping. But if you can't get the money, guys, now that one dey pay pass because you go fit select anything where you want and you go fit price am well. You say things like this, like this, like this, like this. Now you dey call jewelry business. E get videos on my channel where I don't go some good markets where they sell jewelries at a very affordable rate. And if you want do better, just go watch that video after you watch this one. Contacts of the vendors dey there, so you fit ask questions and they go help you find answers to them. That way you will start to do your business and you go dey cash out low key. The good thing about jewelry business be say even if you dey do 9 to 5, e still dey work. E no go disturb your work. So whether you want to do them as a side hustle or as a main business, jewelry business is very profitable. The good thing about jewelry business be say you fit get up to 100% or even more. I know people who get up to 300% on jewelry business. Why? Because they go pick the choicy one, those ones where they unique, where you no go easily or commonly see. Those ones you feel make better money on top. But you see those ones self where they common, where you feel see, people still use at least 100% to sell them. The next business is always my best. I so love this business, guys. Don't judge me. And that business, now the bakery business. Some of you who don't do this channel for 2 years or more, go don't know say you get one video for bakery business where I do for this channel. And that video, they make a lot of wave. Lots of people don't start their bakery business with that video. So if you never watch them, do well to watch them. These days, bakery no dey like before, wey be say things they had to do. See, if you don't get mixer, you don't get your flour and your ingredients, and you don't get the oven, omo, bakery don't start. You fit start am even from the comfort of your home. If your home dey for place where leg dey pass well. If not, collect shop. You see, there are different kinds of oven where you fit buy. Some ovens dey small. So depending on the size of your shop and the location, get the oven wey fit your need. But you see the dicey thing about this business, we say no matter wetin, bakery business dey grow if you manage am well. You see, if you want to know how to run a successful bakery business, go watch that video as I tell you before. Moving on, if you don't get shop, you don't buy your ingredients, you don't get mixer where you go take the mix the bread, right? You can't be doing it like the traditional way they do it back then. Then you don't get your oven. You see this oven deck where they talk, when you want start, it go be like say, make I just buy the one we get 20 or make I just buy the one we get 12. But bakery business they grow. By the time where you don't see how your business they grow, you go don't see say you need deck wey fit cater to 40 at a point. You see, now the dicey thing about it be that. So it's always safe to buy a medium-sized oven instead of the small oven. And bakery business, whether you be children or you be adult, you dey married or you dey single, bread dey sell. At least for Nigeria, I know if we talk for other parts of the world though, but I know say Africans they chop bread. Nigerians particularly, they chop a lot of bread. So I know bread dey sell. Whether na rainy season or na dry season, bread na food wey dey sell. Right now, they sell a loaf of bread for 2k, the normal family loaf for 2k, and yet that time when they reach 1000, we dey say nobody go dey buy this thing. In fact, I'm sure nobody is buying bread now. Na lie. People still dey buy bread. If you reach any bakery where they use correct ingredients to do bread, you go see queue. Queue go dey. Men, grown married men, will come from work, pack, and start queuing up for bread. Yeah. Is that good? So that is why it is one of my topics for the businesses where they talk about today. I can give you a full assurance to go on bakery business as long as you follow the leads, watch that video, you will succeed. Another business we will talk about now, drinks business. Drink business is one of the best businesses in Nigeria. Whether you have kids, you get them drinks. They take bobo, they take Nutri-Milk, they take whatever. I don't want to start mentioning those brands. They take whatever to school. In Lagos traffic, everybody won't pop something. Like you buy gala, drink must go with them. You don't want choke now. If you buy plantain chips, drink must go with them. Like some of us now, we know they buy drink, but water safe now drink, right? So we dey part of those category. So we go buy water in traffic because we dey heated up, we won't cool our mind. You see why drink business dey important. Now as year they wind up, wey be say people go dey get excited, drink business go go up, the prices go go up because demand go increase. And when year start again, demand go still increase. So the drink business prices go go up for them. Drink business be one business wey be say even when demand increase, people go still buy. The last time my husband bought a bottle of Fanta for 500 naira, and I was like, why you come buy it for me? I don't want, because I'm not a pet cook person per se, right? So I'm like, what's the value in this? It's just sugar, and then you're buying it for 500 naira. I beg, I don't want. Give me water. That will do more to my body. But then not only me did that word where I do, other people they buy it like that. If I did inside boss, if I count the number of people where they buy drinks by my side, at the shock. So drink business now one of those businesses. That is why you go see some people, they know they sell any other thing, only drinks. If you know they sell, nobody go sit down, they sell only drinks now. You self check out. But then if you want me to make video on how to run a successful drink business, make you let me know. I go do that one for you. I hope say you don't be able to pick one or two things from today's video. We don't talk about profitable business ideas in Nigeria, how to make money, and how to start a successful business in Nigeria. This is now one of those videos where they do. The last one where I do when this year starts for PG is still there. If you guys never watch them, go watch them. This one now, not to wrap up the year. And when the year begins, I will do another Pidgin English video. If you never join my YouTube membership, what do you wait for? No go snooze, oh. If you snooze, you lose. Anyways, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and like this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with people who won't make money this coming year. No, they selfish, no be only you won't make money. Come on, go and share this video. I'll see you in my next.